Seen by human eyes for the first time in millennia. Within the vast Saqqara necropolis just south of the capital Cairo, archaeologists have discovered 2 human and animal embalming rooms in Egypt. It was on these stone slabs that the dead were mummified, with the practice also covering sacred animals like cats and crocodiles. Also unearthed 2 tombs, one of which belonged to Necropolis, head of the scribes to the 5th dynasty around 4,500 years ago. Untouched for thousands of years, the colors are almost as bright as the day they were painted.
The paintings and inscriptions on the tomb are so amazing. They represent his religious and secular life. Because of his titles, we can see scenes of agriculture, harvesting, grazing, sacrificial slaughtering, and ranching. All of those scenes are in the tomb.
This site once served as the Egyptian capital. Back then it was called Memphis. Today it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to the oldest pyramid known. With over a dozen points of interest within the complex, the modern-day Egyptian government is hoping that this site and others like it prove to be enough of a draw to lure in millions of tourists. Cairo is pinning its hopes on a tourism injection to boost its sluggish economy and for levels to surpass those pre-pandemic. Around 13 million people came to the country before COVID. The government is looking to up that to 30 million within the next 5 years.